Shouldn't you be able to share with anyone, no matter what device they're on? This is the new Quick Share. Now you can share from a Galaxy phone to a Galaxy phone. And from a Galaxy phone to another Galaxy device. Aw, so cute. But you can also quick share with a friend's phone even if it's not a Galaxy. And well, he cheers for the other team. You can quick share big files with a Windows laptop. Oh, well, that was quick. You can quick share from your Galaxy to one phone or to many phones from other Galaxies. Just like that. With the all-new Quick Share, you can share with all your friends across more devices than ever.